Hey, welcome to the second video in this 10-part series on the Decluttering Before New Year's challenge. Now, if you watch the first one, you're gonna be like, Jeanette, I know you're filming this in the same sitting because you're wearing the same thing and the lighting's the same. First, I want to address the lighting. I am here in Cleveland with high weather wind advisories and it's just gray. I think it's a part of this whole lake effect that everybody always talks about. I'm a little new to the area still, but very gray and windy, so this lighting is a little weird, but go with it. So in this 10-part series, if this is the first one you're catching, this is the second video, pause this, go watch the first one. But a quick recap, we are going through in 10 videos before New Year's, 10 secret key areas, little areas you always forget about in your home, or you likely always forget about in your home as you're straightening up and cleaning up. And we are going to declutter them, clean them, and give them some life, give them some reinvigoration together before January 1st. I'm Jeanette Zizikowski, your go-to Feng Shui consultant. Let's get into it. Okay, so in the first video, we were decluttering, cleaning up the hallways. The hallways are like the channels that give life to our home. Just like our veins and our bloodstreams give life to our body and bring oxygen to our body, the hallways and the channels in our homes and these connecting rooms in our homes, particularly the hallways, to be specific, because we can really start to go off on what are the connecting rooms. Nope, we talked specifically about hallways. Those are the life energy, environment energy connectors in our home that give life to our home. So the first video is we decluttered the hallways, and if you didn't have a lot to declutter, then we dusted and cleaned. Like, we cleaned, a lot of people have gallery walls in their hallways, and think about the last time you dusted all those pictures, right? So, won't go into it again, go rewatch that first video, complete it, come here to the second. In this second video of the 10-part series, that other pesky area that you maybe don't always think about is your hallway closets. So we just decluttered all the hallways and we cleaned up all the hallways. Now, how many of you picked up a bunch of stuff and threw it in a hallway closet? How many of you just put it in the closest room next to the hallway? I am guilty of this. I had, you know how you have like a bag of bags? You have a bag of tote bags, brown bags, plastic bags. You have a bag of bags. Everybody has one. Mine has somehow gotten really big and it has just been sitting in the hallway. And I thought, okay, I'm just gonna put this in a closet because I don't know where else to put it. And my closets are starting to fill up. I have closets full of cleaners and extra toilet paper, extra paper towels, extra Swiffer wipers. I have like Tupperware. It's all just piling up. So what did I do? I found an empty closet and I put these bags in that closet. And that leads us to this video. The second place to look at in this challenge is your hallway closets. Now, I'm not saying, okay, everything you just put in there, put it somewhere else. No. We have hallway closets for a reason. It's nice for those coats and storage. But look at those coats. Look at those bags. I looked at this bag of bags and I thought, what do I not need anymore? I don't need, some of them have holes in the bottom. Like, why do I still have these bags? I'm not gonna use them. How long can you make a tote bag last? Get one of those tote bags, get one of your bags in your bag, and look at the scarves you have in your closet. Look at the other coats you have in your closet. Look at maybe the old shoes, or like hoses, or gloves, hats. All of those little things that flashlights, flashlights, old instruction manuals, maybe old vacuum attachments and tubes, and now you're like 3 vacuums later and yet you still have all the attachments. Anything that you shoved in that closet, let's take the smallest little closet and organize it. Clean it out. What do you really not need anymore that you keep putting and saying you're gonna save it till later? Okay, well, now is later. We're thinking about January 2022. We're gonna be living our best life. We're gonna be feeling so good. We're gonna have so much room for all the abundant, prosperous energy to come in Chinese New Year 2022. in February. But still, we want to feel good for the first new year, and we want room for that, for the old to go out, and then by February, when the new comes in, we have all this space. So I could go on and on. What have you saved till later in these hallways? Scarves, coats that you can donate. What can you get rid of to clean that out? So that's the second area we're gonna look at in this 10-part series. Hallway closets, all those small little closets storing things that you just kind of throw in and say you'll get to till later. Now is later. Check out your hallway closets, declutter them. Comment below if you find something funny and interesting. Comment below what it is that you found. Comment below if you are excited to participate. Like this video if you are excited, or if you just want to be nice and like the video, and subscribe. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are alerted every time one of these videos comes out. Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. And if you're going along with us on this challenge, you want to be alerted and reminded that, hey, we're going to spend a quick 20 minutes decluttering these key little areas that we always overlook, and we're going to feel so freaking good in January. See you in the next video.